gentleman's opinion. See, that comes under VGQ, Victims Guaranteed Qualification. Just like the gentleman who's saying what he's saying now, I'm saying what I'm saying. See, all victims have the duty to say what they want to say about race, racism, or counter-racism, since no victim is in charge of any other victim. So we're just people at the bottom of the slave ship, you might say, all non-white people. We're all equals. So we can say what we want to say about our victimization. But what we shouldn't do is criticize each other about our opinions, since no one, and the record shows this, no one has figured out how to overcome the system of white supremacy. Nobody has figured that out. Why? The evidence shows that nobody's figured it out. That's why we're having these conversations now. This is 2014. How long has racism existed? See, the person who finally does it, or the persons, then that's the time to say, hey, somebody finally figured it out. But right now, all victims, including myself, are equal to all other victims. That's why I don't criticize Minister Farrakhan or anything. I'm not qualified to do that. Or Jesse Jackson or Al Sharpton or any other person, including the gentleman who just spoke. I can't criticize what he's saying. He may be correct. But the evidence shows, or I might ask this question, if the white supremacists who dominate the non-white people of this entire planet are not the smartest people on the planet, then the question is, who are the smartest people on the planet, and where's the proof?